Can we create Facebook account without email and phone number? Hey everybody. In today's video, we will tell you is it possible to do so or not. So let me tell you clearly in the very first that creating a Facebook account without an email or phone number is not possible, as Facebook requires at least one of those for registration and verification. It is against the policy of Facebook. So if you would like to create a Facebook account, what you may do is you may head over to the section of Facebook, like the section where you can follow up to create your account. After that, you may go on with the process to create your Facebook account. So what you may do is you may just go ahead and enter your first name here and your surname in the last one. After that, tap on next. Once that is done, you may set up your birth date for your Facebook. After that, tap on set. And once that is done, tap on next. Now, you need to specify your gender. So you may specify your gender. We have different options. You can look out for that option and tap on next. After that, you need to provide your email address or mobile number. So if you're trying to create a Facebook account, as I said earlier, without email and phone number, it is not possible. It is against the policy of Facebook. So if you're trying to create multiple accounts using the automated tools without proper verification, that will violate Facebook terms and service, and that will lead to account suspension or bans. So you need to just go ahead and follow up the process normally, manually, how you create up a Facebook. So here in the section, you may just go ahead and provide your Facebook, like provide up an account for your Facebook, email address or mobile number. After that, tap on next. And at last, you will be getting a verification code for your particular email address. You may just go ahead and enter up the code and complete the process. And that way, once you have completed the process, you need to accept the terms and conditions. And automated tools will help you create account on Facebook. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to create your Facebook account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.